Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will be going over the pronunciation of words with the letter A. The first sound of the letter A is A. A. Bat, cat, ran, man, can, sad. The sound is A. Bland, crash, exact, latch, badge, catch. The second sound that the letter A makes in different words is aw, fall, call, talk, awesome, water, football, almighty, halt. The third sound that the letter A makes is A. When we have a silent E at the end of the word, the letter A makes the sound A. Bait, cake, late, migrate, evaluate, able, cable, stable, migrate, evaluate. The fourth sound that it makes in different words is R, art, arm, calm, farm, far, car, star. The cars aren't far. The art is so calming. The stars are far away. The farm is so calming. The ants are on my arm. The fifth sound that it makes is A sound. Care, share, prepare, air. The sixth sound that it makes is the sound, which is also called the schwa. Above, away, annoy, about, ago. The seventh sound is the short F sound. Any, many. Jazakallah. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.